Hey guys, it's T from Dealer Synergy, or also known as my award-winning website, tgotyourkeys.com, and I'm super excited to actually show today. I actually just got in the mail my Ally A-List Summit Award, and I want to actually show you guys for the first time. It's actually me opening it up for the very first time, and here it is. Super excited. So thank you so much to Ally and actually to NAMAD and the former president Damon Lester, who actually nominated me and sponsored me to go to the whole session and whole academy. So thank you so much to NAMAD. If you need to know more about them, go to namad.org for sponsoring me to go to this event. But thank you again so much to Ally A-List Summit. As you guys know, I might be getting my own dealership soon, so it was a huge opportunity for me to really dive back into the dealership world after being, about a year and a half, 2 years being off of the front lines. And I know things have changed definitely since then. So thanks again to Ally and NAMAD for sponsoring me to go to the event. Looking forward to actually sending more dealers over to the Ally A-List Summit just because it was such an amazing educational event. So thank you again. Just wanted to share my award with you guys. Thank you so much to the organization for sponsoring me. But I just wanted to unbox my award. I can't believe here it is. It is so beautiful. It is huge. It's gonna go right on my desk right next to my 2019 Most Influential Female Sales Car Person Award. So thank you again so much to Ally for receiving this amazing award. Ally actually also sent me a crazy good Christmas present. So thank you to Ally also for sending me that awesome Christmas gift. But I'm super excited to receive this award, and it's just a huge accomplishment that I get to look at every single day. So thanks again, guys. And like I said, huge shout out to Damon Lester, NAMAD, the whole organization, and to Ally.